So I got it, most of it back together, at least 90%, and I did have to stop because I remember that I didn't replace the gasket for the oil filter housing. I didn't want to put the old one that was on there back, leave it on the motor. And then I also run into an issue where the O-ring from inside of here fell out and it wouldn't go back in there because it was stretched out. So I get this O-ring and the power steering fluid, and once I've done that, I can hook up all the lines and I can start it up after putting oil in it. But that's the reason why it hasn't started as yet, just because of power steering fluid, that line, O-ring, and the gasket. I'm waiting for the gasket. Once I come in, then I'll put that in, put it on, and then I'll start it up. And once I'm starting up, I'm going to do the video of me starting up, see what happened. Then you guys will know. So I finally received the gasket. I was about to wrap it up for the day until the gasket come in, if it's not cold. But I finally received what I was waiting for. Now I did put everything back together. I just gotta put this in and put this back on. Then I gotta put this hose back. So let me take this off. This bad boy takes 7.8 quarts of oil, so we're about to add oil, and then I gotta go inside and go get the key to try to start it up. Okay. Yep, I spilled a little bit, but that's okay. Trying to remember if I leave the drain, if I put the drain plug back in. Well, if not, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna run this 5 quarts of oil out too rough, too much one time, too much ace. Make waste. I don't want nothing to run down in the plug. Yeah, I gotta make sure that I clean up this bad boy, put a new filter inside of it. I gotta go get the gasket. I'll leave the gasket inside. Fully clean. Oh, oh, give myself more work again. All right. Just use this and add oil to the car. I'm just going to change the top one too. Brand new. Or new brand. Alright, so we're going to try to start it for the first time since I put the motor in. I'm going to put the terminal on. Hopefully we are good. All right, first shot. Try again. First second shot. It's still running. Let me go look and see if anything leaking. Power steering is low. Coolant is leaking, I don't know why, because I'm gonna shut it off because I don't want to mess up the power steering pump. Engine is running smooth. I need to get more power steering fluid because yeah, I need to get more power steering fluid. But it run, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so yo, this blood clot good. As you can see, the BMW is on the wheels, all four wheels on the ground. Everything is put back together. The car started and runs yesterday. I did have to stop working on it yesterday. It's pretty cold right now. I'm in Florida and we're getting this cold storm. But I had to stop yesterday because my girl wasn't feeling so good, so I have to sit by her side. You know, it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna try to start it up the next morning while it's cold and see what happened. See if it runs, and then I'm gonna give it a full walkthrough of what you see inside of the engine bay. Okay, it's fired up. Check engine light is on, and the light is on because of the vanos. Also do say that it needs gas. And I don't know if it like the cold too much, but the vanos I'm going to look into because I think that there's something wrong with the wire, one of the wire on the exhaust side. But I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to do it probably whenever it's cold, whenever it's warm out again. But I'm just going to go over, show you guys what's going on here. Engine is running smooth. As you can see, everything is back together. I put the radiator back in, air filter box, housing, coolant bottle, overflow bottle, reservoir, power steering is fair, you don't hear no more noise. Bumper is on, light is in. I did replace the headlight because these lights, I see them and I like them and it seems cool. I need to put some HID or LED bulb inside of them, but that's about it. But as you can see, guys, the car runs. Like I said, the vanos, which is the lower one, this one right here, there's something going on with it. I think it's some wiring problem. I'm not sure as yet because I need to check the wire and see if that's what the problem is. Or I'm just going to replace the vanos. But before I replace the vanos, I got to check and make sure that everything is good. I don't have a scan tool here to do too much. Also, I didn't put this back on because I'm missing the little 6mm bolt or 7mm bolt from today, so I have to find one of those. This is the ground for the plugs, so I have to get the grounds right here. So I need to get that tightened down. But guys, as you can see, the car is finished. It runs. Everything is back together. That's about it. The BMW is back on the road again. I got to get the vanos taken care of before I even start driving the car. But first and foremost, I want to make sure that the car starts to run and everything is good with it. So now you see it. Anything that you want to do, you can do it. It doesn't matter who you are. I got to put the bolts in back in here. Yeah, guys. So this is the BMW. It's back under. It's back running again. It's off the thing. And as you can see, I did this in my backyard where my backyard is filled with sand, nothing but sand. I'm telling you, it wasn't easy, but I get it done. But anyway, it runs. That's the most important part about it. It runs. I gotta make sure that it stays running without giving no problem. So this is it. Right here, everything is good. Like I said, I have to get this done. But guys, I didn't want to start up this morning when it's cold. It's like, I think it's like 26 degrees right now in Florida. So as you can see, I'm talking and there's steam coming out of my mouth. But the BMW run, guys, and that's what matters. There's some little cosmetic things that need to be taken care of on it, but nothing major. Yeah, it's good though. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Hey, I'll see you in the next one.